Zontes ZT350GK. Zontes GK350 specifications. Mileage overall 31.25 kmpl, displacement 348 cc, engine type single cylinder, liquid cooled, engine no. Of cylinders 1, max power 38.52 PS at 9500 rpm, max torque 32.8 Nm at 7500 rpm, front brake disc, rear brake disc, fuel capacity 17L, body type cafe racer bikes, fuel type petrol. Zontes GK350 features: ABS, dual channel mobile connectivity, Bluetooth, power modes yes, navigation yes, LED tail light yes, speedometer, digital odometer, digital tripmeter, digital tachometer, digital transmission manual. Zontes GK350 app features: calls and messaging yes, navigation assist yes. Zontes GK350 specifications. Zontes GK350 STD. Engine and transmission. Engine type: single cylinder, liquid cooled, engine displacement 348 cc, max torque 32.8 Nm at 7500 rpm, no. Of cylinders 1, cooling system, liquid cooled, starting, self-start only, fuel supply, fuel injection, clutch, wet type, multi-pieces, ignition, electric ignition, gearbox, 6-speed bore, 84.5 mm stroke, 62 mm compression ratio, 12.3, 1 emission type, BS6-2.0.